Horse. The horse is running fast. Macaw. The macaw has colorful feathers. Whale. The whale lives in the ocean. Cockatoo. The cockatoo can talk. Guinea pig. The guinea pig is very small. Dog. The dog is barking. Seal. The seal is swimming in the sea. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Goat. The goat eats grass. Robin. The robin sings in the morning. Donkey. The donkey is carrying bags. Blue jay. The blue jay is sitting on a tree. Rabbit. The rabbit jumps fast. Raven. The raven is black. Camel. The camel lives in the desert. Crane. The crane is standing in the water. Llama. The llama has thick fur. Magpie. The magpie likes shiny things. Buffalo. The buffalo is strong. Osprey. The osprey catches fish. Ferret. The ferret is very playful. Vulture. The vulture flies high. Condor. The condor is a big bird. Hamster. The hamster runs on the wheel. Walrus. The walrus has long tusks. Shark. The shark has sharp teeth. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. Squid. The squid lives in deep water.